Hey, Preston again at the Automate and ProMat 2017 show. I'm with Bernardo Mendez. He's going to talk to you about their collaborative robot that you can see right behind us.
Basically, Yaskawa, the way we're going to go to market is we're going to start adding more and more features, and those features are going to grow into ease of use, plug and play applications, everything that the industry expects, plus the expectation of support and training, which to us is very important because we believe that the whole customer journey through collaborative is not only buying the arm, unboxing it, doing a few steps and doing a pick and place application. I mean, we know customers are going to evolve in their collaborative needs, and we have to design a product and an experience and a support that works with the customer through that evolution rather than just staying in a very simplistic way.
Yeah. So following those trends in the market and really staying with the customer needs and identifying those and fulfilling them.
Yeah.
That's great.
Something we've done with the HC10 is I've done a ton of customer research. I've gone to customer factories, customer applications. It's not just designing the robot in a lab and saying it works. It's actually asking customers what is going on, and I'm always looking for that kind of feedback either at trade shows, but even more importantly in the actual environment, just to see what kind of problems we can solve for the customer.
What are the problems kind of that you see across the board amongst the customer research that you've done where they really want to implement a collaborative robot and they want to see if it can solve X or Y?
You know, one of the things that comes up the most is not even the monetary issue, but the personnel issue, where we found applications where the human worker is trying to do a repetitive motion or repetitive actions thousands of times through their shift, and sometimes these repetitive motions are with components or pieces that are very heavy. So people run into carpal tunnel syndrome, hip issues, just ergonomic issues that really they may not have, they obviously have a monetary impact, but then people shy away from those activities. Or you have to constantly rotate personnel, which means retraining.
Yeah. So
we always try to find what's driving the need for a collaborative robot. And also, when the customer identifies as cycle speed, then we guide them towards a collaborative application that has a faster cycle time. Why? Because once you go into collaborative mode with the HC10, it's much slower, and we always have to manage customer expectations because they expect a robot to always be fast. And we say, if you want to remove the fence, but really when we say remove the fence, we don't mean remove all protections. We say you're substituting one physical fence for one electromechanical or electronic one. So that safety is always on top of mind.
Of course, yeah, safety is a big issue with
Right.
collaborative robots, and that's one of the things that a lot of these manufacturers, including yourself, seem to be focusing on solving.
Yeah.
Are there any other approaches that you use to solve that safety problem and really, push for safety in these manufacturing industrial environments?
Yeah, something we're gonna do, like I said, we're gonna give a full customer experience, is we're probably gonna start creating a program where part of the training for using the HC10 is not only gonna be the programming, the technical stuff, but also we're gonna facilitate safety training,
Really?
considering what are you gonna do with your robot and how safe you need it to be, and what things you have to come to mind, because there is a lot of customers, like you probably know, that the collaborative robot is their first foray into robots. So there is a lot of people with nascent or very new robotic skills, very novices if you want to, and we need to train them because that's what we do with our partners anyways, with our customers. So we're going to just apply the same recipe to collaborative robots, especially focusing on safety.
I see. Well, Bernardo, I had a great time talking with you.
Thank you.
And it's awesome to see your guys' robot in action.
Thank you, I appreciate it.